Hey everybody, Greg Davis here at MarineMax in Savannah. Wanted to give you a look at the 177 Scout. This is a great inshore fishing boat in our area, able to get real shallow. We've got it teamed up with the YAMAHA 115 4-stroke, hydraulic steering. It comes with a Magic Tilt aluminum trailer with welded bunks, built specifically for this boat. Pop-up cleats. Got some great storage options in this boat. A lot of room for a 17-footer and some really nice fishing features. Let me hop up here and I'll show you the interior real quick. So we'll start up here at the bow on the 177 Scout. They're all pre-wired for a trolling motor. Makes installation very easy. Has a really nice anchor locker and storage compartment up front. Your running lights are out of the way. Storage in here for a bucket to hold a cast net, crabbing supplies, whatever you want. This one has the J&L stereo system and also a bow cushion. Has a nice live well here in the front of the console. Rod holders on either side, a nice place to sit with a backrest. Their console is nice, not too big, not too small. Like they left the battery switch on the outside, so it's easy to get to. This does have the C-Star trim tab system, the Yamaha gauges, the stereo here. This is access here for your batteries. Very easy to get to. Storage pouch for your documents. Great seat here with a backrest. One thing I love what Scout has done is we always need a place to put a cooler. Well, they've designed this boat to be able to accept a cooler under the seat. Tackle storage here, pliers, knife. There's two hatches here on either side. The liner actually comes out and you can access into the storage area under here for life jackets, flares, whatnot. Really nice boat for inshore fishing. If you'd like more information on this model or any model we have here in Savannah, feel free to give me a call, 912-897-9881. Thank you.